ikaw pa rin ang bottleneck. Are you delegating the task but keeping all the decisions? Let me tell you about Andrew and Melissa. Meron silang corporate gifting business for 5 years na. And mga customized items for company events ang kanilang products. Good clients, repeat orders. Ang galing, di ba? Andrew manages the warehouse at saka yung suppliers. Tapos si Melissa naman handles the clients at saka yung mga design approvals. Pero si Melissa was really exhausted. Bawat design decision kailangan dumaan sa kanya. Every color choice, every font, every small change. And as a result, her phone was full of messages from the team asking for approvals. Ito ba ang na-experience mo ngayon, anak? So, she decided to delegate. She hired a senior designer to handle client revisions. Pero pagkatapos ng 2 linggo, walang nagbago. The designer kept messaging her, "Ma'am, approve mo na to. Ma'am, okay na ba to? Ma'am, client is waiting." Napansin ni Andrew. Sabi niya, binigay mo na yung trabaho pero you kept the authority. Hindi siya makakapag-decide ng kahit na ano without you. Ikaw pa rin ang bottleneck. So anak, alam mo ba na ito ay common trap? You delegate the work but not the power to make decisions. Kaya ang ending, your team does the labor. Pero ikaw pa rin ang hinahanap nila for every small thing. Hindi delegation ito. This is just distributed stress. Ito yung lesson. Delegation without authority is not real delegation. Kung hindi nila kayang mag-decide, hindi sila makakagalaw. And if hindi sila pwedeng gumalaw, hindi ka rin pwedeng gumalaw. Remember, let's be business-minded, Pinoy.